Honey, Alan Raymond, I know you have heard this from me for so many times, and I will never get tired of telling you that you are never the better alternative, because you are the right man for me.
This is the moment. Next year. We were apart. Yeah, it's a Barbie. Sige, sir,
It has always been my fervent wish to have someone in my life to call my own, and I will always be thankful that our paths have crossed.
I'm so glad that I am able to keep the promise to myself that the only guy that I will introduce done a lot of things to make me happy, and for that, I will always be grateful.
I will take the good with the bad, laugh with you at happy moments, and cry with you in the sad ones. I'm looking forward to a married life spent with more books to read, movies to watch, songs to sing, and kids to raise as we grow old together.
From now on, you will never be alone. From now on, there will be someone who will take care of you, support you, and understand you. From now on, you can finally start saying you have a family of your own. With each other will be our home.
And now that I have you in my life, I cannot let this chance at happiness pass me by. Let me take this vow then, with everyone present here as my witnesses, that from now on, I will take you as you are, loving who you are now and who you are yet to become.